The AirPods Pro 2 have appeared with an impressive feat, coming with all new features without an increase in the price from the original 2019 AirPods Pro 2. With a new chip powering things along, we are treated to far greater sonic performance and excellent noise cancellation as well as improved battery life. While they are not going to be perfect for Android users and they do cost a pretty penny, we were constantly absorbed by the sonic performance on offer here. It's a hugely worthwhile upgrade from Apple. If you are looking to pick up the new AirPods Pro, you will be looking to pay $249. This is the exact same official price as the previous model except in UK where it's a £10 increase. Older model is always discounted these days at retailers other than Apple, so while both are available, the new version costs more effectively. In the current climate, keeping the official price the same is actually a more aggressive move from Apple than it looks, because almost all other new flagship earbuds have increased their price. They are high priced, no question, but a lot of other big players are coming in higher. If you are looking for AirPods with an all-new design, you are not going to get that here. The AirPods Pro are precisely the same as the previous iterations with the shorter stem and the wider, more squat case to house them in. Side by side, you will notice that the AirPods Pro 2 do have an extra black section cutout, which is an audio vent designed to improve the quality of sound coming out of the Gemini chip buds. And as you will see in a moment, that audio quality is darn impressive. The only other small design change on the buds actually comes in the box, where Apple has packed in extra small tips for those with tinier ears. This is a much needed change and one that Apple should be applauded for making, especially as it's keeping the RRP of the AirPods the same as the models from 2019. While the stems on the AirPods Pro 2 might look the same, they house a new feature on AirPods volume control. We've been mournfully crying out for this feature since the first AirPods emerged years ago, and it's finally here, except well, it's far from perfect. It works by stroking the small stem up and down, waiting for the small click to confirm a change. When you get the rhythm, it's fine. The strokes work perfectly and you can also volume easily despite being a little slow to respond. However, it's so hard to get the sweet spot each time. While the feature is nice to have and one we use regularly, it's not well implemented enough to be flawless. The only other design change comes on the new charging case, which both last longer on a single charge but also comes with a new lanyard clip as well as a speaker on the base. The lanyard clip is a surprise, allowing one to wear AirPods case around the neck in a nod to the world of fashion, but the speaker is more of a useful upgrade. This speaker allows the AirPods Pro to gain Find My features, so you can press a button on your phone to make a sound emanate from the AirPods Pro case. This is a useful upgrade as the previous method on the older models, making the buds themselves play ear-splitting sound, didn't really work. The AirPods Pro 2 also packed in the U1 chip that's been added to iPhones of late, meaning you can see on your handset the direction of the headphones too, helpful if the sound isn't playing. It's not perfect as we sometimes just couldn't connect the case when we knew it was in the house somewhere, but on other occasions when the connection appeared, it was fun to follow the signal around the house with an increasingly strong vibration on the phone happening as we closed in. The new charging case does have another neat trick, allowing you to use an Apple Watch charger to juice up the AirPods Pro holder. It feels so seamless to do that it's hard to understand why this hasn't happened before, but it's a great feature nonetheless. So, if you want great sound, the Airpods Pro 2 sound brilliant and shout out the real world so well. If you want to treat yourself, then you will really appreciate it. It's a little on the safe and stable side, but still an enjoyable experience. And if you have got all manner of Apple things like iPad, Apple TV, or Apple Watch or similar, then you will really get the benefit of these headphones with the seamless switching. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed, and check the description box below to get this product at best rate.